بنتمنى انهم ينظروا لهالناس اللي قاعده بالخيام. الحمد لله نحن الله فرج علينا واجينا لهون، لا الله يفرج على اهل الخيام، يعني الله يعينهم. بالصيف النار عم تحرقهم من الشوب، يعني مثل قاعد بفرن، وبالشتاء من البرد عم يموتوا من الثلج كمان العالم، يعني شفناهم. يعني بنتمنى ينظروا لهم ويطلعوا على وضعهم، وشو يعني شو بيقدروا يساعدوهم يساعدوهم. يعني مثل هذا البناء يجيبوا هالعالم كله من الخيام. الله يوجه لكم كل خير ويحفظكم ويحفظ أولادكم ويرزقكم.
This year, with the help of our generous donors, we were able to complete the building of our first village, which has taken hundreds of Syrian families out of squalid conditions, living in tents where they were exposed to the elements, and given them safety, security and dignity. We're now here at the site of what will be our second village, inshallah. And so it's time for us all to come together and let's take this land from looking like this to this, a village full of houses providing shelter for families in Syria who've been living in tents for the last decade. It's going to give them safety and security, and we're going to turn that empty piece of land which you saw into another village like this. It's your opportunity to step forward and be a part of this amazing project, which is rebuilding Syria one family at a time, one house at a time, one village at a time.